Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my daughter's hair for her 11th birthday, which was June the 22nd last week. So baby girl requested that she wanted her hair in some knotless braids because she saw that I had did some on myself. So I am not a braider. I really hate braiding. I only braid for weaves and wigs and sew-ins, and of course like cute little girly hairstyles. But as far as like me being a full-time braider, I tried it when I first started doing hair and it just was not for me. I feel like in order for me to braid, I need to charge like a $150 an hour. Like, so Livy's hair is freshly washed. I just had her detangle her hair. In the beginning, I'm just showing you guys the hair that we selected. We picked some Kanekalon hair as well as some brown hair because initially my thoughts were to use the brown, which is a number 4, to blend with her natural hair and then fade it into the pink. However, you'll see once I get towards the top, I only use the pink hair because her hair is long enough and I didn't want it to be too brown. I want it to be mostly pink for my girl's birthday. So here you just see me going in. I'm making her part as straight as I possibly can. Again, I am not the best when it comes to braiding, but I'm going to make it do what it do for my baby's birthday. And we're going to save us some coins. Altogether, the hair cost me, I believe, like $14. And then I just got some Shine and Jam. I grabbed a comb. And I already had these FRAMAR clips. So what you just see me doing here is just sectioning her hair out. I'm doing like medium-sized parts because I didn't want this to take super long. We started at 10 o'clock and we finished at 12:30. So it took me 2.5 hours. We did stop in between to eat and just to chill for a little bit. I stretched out a little bit. And then Livy went, got her birthday cards and stuff. So we just pretty much vibed out. And I told her, look, we'll get up early in the morning, eat breakfast, we'll do your hair, and then you can chill the rest of the day. And then I let her buy whatever she wanted on Shein, so that box will be coming. And if you guys want to see like a kid clothing haul, maybe I'll post that. I'm not sure quite yet, but just know that my girl really enjoyed her 11th birthday and I just cannot believe how big she's getting. So I'm adding the pink hair in here. Again, I was kind of just trying to feel out how I wanted to do this hairstyle. Initially, when I did it on myself, it took me about 3 hours, but I started and then I went to work and then I stopped. So when she saw that, she was just like, Mom, I didn't know you can braid. And I'm like, yeah, I can braid, but I just don't really like to. But I also don't want to spend a ton of money because you guys know we just moved. And of course, buying a house is very expensive. So I try to save money where I can, which is why I did my own hair. And then afterwards, she's just been talking about it for like the past 2 months. So I was like, you know what? Let's go grab you some hair and make it do what it do. So you'll just see me doing kind of like bigger braids in the front and the center. And then at the very top, I'm just going to do like a smaller section just to make it look more uniform. Again, we were just going for something cute, something girly. She wanted them long and then she did want to curl the ends. So just enjoy the process as I'm doing this. Again, this is not for like educational purposes. This is just like something that we recorded behind the scenes, just having fun. And just, you know, I thought it came out pretty decent for my second time ever, guys. So don't be too harsh, okay? I am not probably ever going to do this again unless she asks me to, maybe for like a birthday or like for back to school or something. But honestly, this is just not my cup of tea. I just do not have the patience to braid. I have so much respect for braiders because it really is a tedious job. And my fingers were like so dry and crampy when I got done. I was just like, how do people do this all day, back-to-back clients? Like, y'all the real MVPs for real. And before you ask, I'm going to make sure to link everything down below. And if y'all like my chairs that are on my, what is this? Like a kitchen island? Not even island. It's like, I don't even know how to describe some of the stuff in my house, y'all, because I ain't never had a house this nice in my life. But behind the sink, there's like a little like sitting area where you can put like bar stools. So these are the bar stools that I have. I got them from Wayfair and they're like a navy blue, really, really cute. And yeah, so if you want to know where I got that, maybe I'll link it down below as well. I want to start doing more house content, so off topic, but as I decorate and stuff, I really want to start bringing y'all along because I'm not the most crafty, but I really am enjoying just renovating and like making my house look pretty. So here we are on the next section. I'm not going to bore you guys too much. I'm just going to go ahead and show you kind of how I started braiding her hair down, and then you'll see like how the parts, they look a little bit inconsistent in the middle, but that's okay because once I got towards the top, I made sure to make sure that it kind of covered the back so you couldn't really tell. And overall, it looked nice. And again, for $15, we are not complaining, okay? It did what it needed to do. So this is what I was talking about right here. Do not drag me. Do not come for my parts, because again, I do not care. So my husband got Olivia a birthday card, and I thought that was so cute. So he got her a nice card, wrote some encouraging words in there, and gave her $60. And she was just too hype. And I was like, girl, he's amazing. Like, we already know this. Like, he has really been here since my baby was 1, and he is such an amazing man and husband. So shout out to you, babe. Like, he really just came through with the extra birthday love. And Olivia was just so loved from her grandparents, her family, and I just really appreciate every single last one of y'all. So here I am. I'm just showing you guys kind of the top, how the parts are coming out. And then at the very, very top, I was going to make this 2 rows, but I was like, nah, because I don't want them to be too small. So I just went ahead and just kind of sectioned them more like vertically, if that makes sense. And now we are on the last braid, and I was so hyped to be done. We were going to take a break, and then I was like, you know what? Let's just get this done, because I don't want to start and then stop and then start and stop and then it just be like an all-day process. So I was like, Olivia, if you don't mind sitting for like another 20-30 minutes, I'll just do this as quickly as I can. So sis was putting her head down, and I'm like, sis, that's nice because I'm short and all, but like, you got me bending over, so put your head back up. So right here, you can kind of see like the parts at the top. Again, not super crisp, but they'll do. Like, if you look at it really quickly, you would think that they was hitting until you get up close and you're like, oh, they're like slightly, you know, not that perfect, but that's okay, because she's a kid, she moves around. But I just thought this came out a little bit better than I thought, because again, I've never braided with pink hair, and I just don't do braids. It's just not my thing. So for me, I was like, okay, like, come on, YouTube University, I'm really over here doing my thing. So Olivia was happy, and that honestly was the main thing to me. I told her she should have kept her hair straight, just because she wanted more like that long hair, but she kept saying like, I want it curled, I want it curled, I want it curled. And then she told me that she wanted the bohemian, like those little loose wavy pieces. And I was like, sis, I'm not doing all of that. Like, I barely even know how to get the hair attached to your head, let alone doing some curly pieces, and they might come out like tingly. So what we did was I just wrapped her hair in some irons, or no, not irons, in some curlers, and then I just dipped it in hot water. So my baby was hungry. I ordered her some food that she wanted from down the street, just real spoiled. So she's in the background eating. I'm like, go ahead and do that while I wrap your hair up. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to dip it and show you guys the end result. So this is a first for me. I don't think I posted braids on my channel at all, like at all. So first for me, you know, doing my braids for my baby. I really loved how these came out, and I got so many compliments on doing her hair, which made me feel like a proud mama bear, because I was like, Olivia, we gonna try this out, and if it come out cute, cool. If not, we'll figure out something else. Worst case scenario, we'll just press your hair again, because at least that will be laid. But she really enjoyed herself. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I dipped her hair and then just style it. And that is pretty much the end of this video. Hopefully not too boring, not too long. Just something fun that I did with my daughter for her 11th birthday to make her feel like that girl, because she is super amazing and such a great kid. So shout out to you guys for supporting my channel, for just showing love to me and my family. We really do appreciate all of the love and support. And with that being said, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this beautiful Sunday. I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive week. No, I did not burn my child. I was like, Olivia, I don't do this. So we're going to have to get this pot, get you real close. She was feeling the steam and getting scared, but I was like, girl, I got you. So I just took the towel and I just dipped the ends of her hair, and she was good to go. So I'm going to take these out now, so that way you guys can see how they look. And then I'm just going to have her spin around. And we had to do this in sections just because like the front part was a little bit shorter. So I was like, oh shoot, like we got to really be careful how we do this. And she did great. So just removing these, the water squirted on her. It wasn't hot, but she was just like, oh my God, like it's wet. And I'm like, girl, I got you. So we let those sit for about maybe like 5 minutes, and then I went ahead and took them out, and then you'll see the end result in just a second. Again, braids by Sandra. Get at me. No, I'm just kidding. I am geeking right now. I need to lay down, okay? I think it's because I got up too early. That's why I'm in here wilding. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop some purple heart emojis. No, not purple. I'm sorry. Drop some pink heart emojis, some pink emojis in the comments down below if you like this hairstyle. And thank you so much. I promise you guys I'm done rambling. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Do not come for my baby or me, because we will drageth thee, okay? You will get the drageth. Don't come for me unless I send for you, because we do not play fair. But nah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.